бір көргеннен ғашық болдым өзіңе.
Құрметті достар, өздеріңіз білесіздер ғой, менің Димаш Кудайберген ағамның «Ұмытылмас күн» туындысын Португалияда Лара Алайшу қазақ тілінде тамаша орындап берді. Лара Алайшумен біз 1-2 секундтан кейін тікелей сұхбаттасатын боламыз. Hello, Lara. How are you? I'm fine.
Hello, Zhansulu. I'm fine, thank you.
I am glad to see you. I'm so happy.
Oh, you're so sweet, thank you.
Let's go to our conversation.
Let's go.
Hello guys, hello Kazakhstan, hello everybody. I'm here for an interview. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your invitation to talk to you, to talk about myself. I'm really happy. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lara, біздің әңгімеміз видеоға жазып алынып отыр. Сізді менің достармен кеңінен таныстырғым келеді. Мен өзіңіз туралы айтып беріңізші. Жасыңыз нешеде? Қаяқта тұрасыз? Немен шұғылданасыз? Қай мамандыққа оқып жатырсыз?
So yes, of course. Let's talk about myself. As you know, my name is Lara Alaiшу. I'm 18 years old. I'm Portuguese, but I was born in Germany. Yeah, I was born in Germany, but I went to Portugal at age 7. And me and my family, we all are Portuguese, and my nationality is Portuguese. So now I'm living in Switzerland. I came here in 2017 to study. My mother, she's here also. But I'm coming back to Portugal next week. I'm going to live there again. I have a sister. She's living in Germany, and she is older than me. And I'm a student. I'm studying languages and culture, but I also want to go to university to study music and cinema. Yeah, arts.
Lara, қазір сіз қай қаладасыз? Менің білуімше, сіз гастрольдік сапарларға жиі барасыз. Сіз ән шырқайсыз.
As you can see, I'm a lover of stages, and I would love to be an actress in the future, and also a big singer, professional singer, known around the world, and do what I love the most is music, because I sing since I'm a little baby. I start singing at age 3 with my mother, because my mother, she's a professional singer, and we sang in a lot of countries, in France, in Germany, in Luxembourg, in Spain, Portugal. Yeah, as you can see, in Europe we are always singing. So yeah, and I travel a lot because of this. I travel to sing, and because I have a big family living in a lot of countries, so that's why I travel a lot, and I'm a travel lover. I love to travel, and I will love to visit Kazakhstan. I'm sure that in the future I'm going to your country, because as I can see, it's a beautiful country, beautiful culture, and it's amazing. You are amazing to each other, amazing. I'm going to Kazakhstan.
Lara, сіз Димаш ағамның «Ұмытылмас күн» әнін орындағаннан кейін біздің елде танымал болдыңыз. Сұрақ, өлеңді неге орындадыңыз? Кім, әлде не әсер етті? Димаш ағамның дауысы ма? Әлде осы өлеңнің мағынасы ма?
So it's awesome to know that I'm popular in your country. It's an honor for me, and I'm so humbled. Zhansulu, I I sang that song Unforgettable by Ұмытылмас because I first heard that song in 2017 in The Singer in China, and I fell in love. The melody, the way Dimash sing that song, always all the things in that song is so beautiful. And like I said on YouTube, I didn't know what Dimash was saying, but I felt what Dimash was singing. And I had so many emotions when I heard that song for the first time. And I'm always listening to Unforgettable Time. And I think Dimash, he has the best voice I've ever heard in my life. It's incredible. It's not possible for a human have a voice like this. It's so incredible. And he gives a lot of emotions to the songs, and that makes all the songs more beautiful. And that's why I sing that song, because the lyrics talk about love, and so I don't know how to explain, but I feel all the things when I sing that song, because I know the translation, and I feel like I am really saying this to a person. It's a beautiful song. And yeah, thank you so much, Zhansulu, for that question.
Бұл өлеңді сіз концертте немесе көпшіліктің алдында орындап көрдіңіз бе?
I didn't sing that song yet, but I will start singing. In my next concerts, I will sing that song, of course. Because now I know well the lyrics. Before I didn't know, but now I know the lyrics, and I'm going to start singing, and for people to know that song, to know how beautiful this song is, the lyrics, all the things. I want to sing for all the people.
Сіздің жерлестеріңіздің бұл өлеңге көзқарасы қандай? Сізден бұл өлеңнің мағынасын сұрай ма?
My friends, my family, my fellows, they love that song. It's also like me before. I didn't know what Dimash was singing, but I felt what he was saying. It's the same with all the people that don't know your language. And now they know what the song is about, but they love that song. They love Dimash. Dimash is the best singer. All the people love Dimash and the songs.
Лара, осы сіз Қазақстанға танымал болғаныңызды білгеніңізде қандай әсерде болдыңыз? Сіздің әлеуметтік парақшаңызда қазақстандықтар лүпіл пікірлер көп түсті, тілектерге бөлендіңіз.
My impression when I knew, oh my god, I was crying. I was always crying. I'm an emotional person, so no words can explain the happiness that I felt and that I'm still feeling now. No words, this is a feeling like this is my dream. This is my dream, and now this is happening. This is real happening. And it's amazing. Like, wow. And thank you so much again for supporting me. And Kazakhstan, thank you so much.
Осы жазда, яғни 29 шілдеде Астана қаласында Димаш ағамның жеке концерті өтеді. Сіз сол концертке келесіз ба? Келсеңіз, мен міндетті түрде Димаш ағаммен және сізбен кездесуге Астанаға барар едім. Сосын мен сізге Қазақстанды шарлап көрсетер едім. Біздің жерлердің басқа жерлерден өзгеше. Келіңіз.
Zhansulu, great question. If I'm going to Dimash concerts in Astana, I don't know yet if I'm going, but I would love to to go to his concert, to visit your country, to meet Dimash's fans, and meet all the people who loves Dimash like I do. And I'm thinking about to go to your country to see his concert in Astana. Oh, thank you so much, Zhansulu, for proposing me this invitation to show me your country. Thank you so much.
Сіз Қазақстан туралы білетін бе едіңіз? Димаш ағамды танымай тұрып.
Yes, my friends know about Kazakhstan. Yeah, of course. I knew about Kazakhstan before, but I didn't know about your culture, about all the things, you know. I just simple things, but yes, they know Kazakhstan. They know Dimash very well, because Dimash is known all around the world, like the best singer in the world. So they know Dimash. Yeah, they love Dimash.
Сізден достарыңыз Қазақстан туралы сұрай ма?
Yes, my friends ask a lot about Kazakhstan now more than before, because they saw when I was in your media, in the news Kazakhstan, in television of Kazakhstan. I post on my Instagram, and my friends, they were like, "Oh my God, what's happening? What's happening?" And I told them what's going on now and before. And after they asked me about Kazakhstan, they asked me about Dimash also. They asked me about a lot of things, and I tried to answer correctly all the questions.
Димаш ағамнан басқа Қазақстанда танымал кімдерді білесіз?
Zhansulu, I know that your country is very big. I know that the largest city is Almaty. The capital is Astana, but it's not old. Astana has it's from a few years ago. I think it's not old, the capital. I think from Google, I saw it in Google. And you have a new president. And I know that you have a new president, and your culture, I know a lot about your culture, your traditions. They are different from my traditions, but I think they are all amazing, the things you do. It's different for me to see things like this, and it's really beautiful the way you are to other people. You are so gentle, and I know that because you are giving me so much love, and this is so gentle. Thank you.
Біздің қазақтың басқа қандай өлеңдерін білесіз? Әлде оларды естіп көрдіңіз ба? Қазақтың әндерін орындайтын боласыз ба?
Yeah, I know. Dudaray. Dudarayım dudum. This song is really beautiful, and Daididao. Now I know. I don't know the lyrics, but I know your another songs. Yes, they're all beautiful. Yes, I will sing more Kazakh songs, of course. Yeah, I need to learn another songs. Well, the lyrics. So Zhansulu, which song do you suggest me to sing?
Лара, қазақтың тамаша өлеңдері көп, соның ішінде ерекше маған ұнайтындарым. Ана туралы жыр, дударай, атамекен. Атамекен, оны Роза Рымбаева апамыз айтады, ол өте күшті орындайды. Ана туралы жырды сізге маған айтып берейін. Әлемнің жарығын сыйладың сен маған, даланың әр гүлін жинадың сен маған.
Thank you so, so, so much. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Yeah, I'll be keeping singing your songs. They are amazing.
Әңгімеміздің соңында ұмытылмас күн әнін орындап бересіз ба?
Of course. Bir көркенін хашақ болдым өзіңе, еркелеген балдай тәтті сөзіңе. Пай-пай шіркін, ұмытылмас күн, аңсап күткен арманым сен, алаулаған таңдарым сен, алақандай алайтын, аңсарымды артаған сен. Thank you so, so, so much. I love you. I love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lara, for our conversation.